Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo, and I got another package to unbox in the mail. This time it's from my friends at New Craft Day. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, I got some yarn. And we've got some more yarn. Ooh, isn't that pretty? We've got some more yarn. And we got some more yarn. And we're going to use all these pretty yarn with some fun stuff. So let me set this aside. We'll look at this a little closer in a little bit. I just want to see what else is in here. All right. So this is called a spool. Get this off so I can see what it says. Spool loom. Okay. And this is very similar to something I got last time, which is called a French knitter. They're a little different, and I actually will do a video comparing these at a later date, so stay tuned for that. Let's look at this. I had looked at this before, and I'm like, how cute. But what you do is you use your yarn and wrap it around here, and you use this thing to loop it around, and it comes down at the bottom here. And you have a knitting, I want to call it a string, but I don't know what other word to call it. But like I said, stay tuned, and we will make something with this and compare it to this one I got last time. And this, it's a little bigger. It's kind of the same idea. Those had 4 pegs. These have 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, depending on, which side here. We have a big plastic needle and a hook. And there's actually instructions. And again, I will do a video on this. It says the spool loom is designed for making tube scarves as well as handles and straps. So it's a tube. That's a good word. Not a string, but more of a tube. Get this put here. And this thing right here, I am really excited about. I hope I can do it. It's a loom. And I'm going to have to put it together. This comes with a little bit of yarn. But this is what it looks like all put together. And we have instructions. I cannot read that. I'm assuming that's in Chinese. But it does have pictures, so we'll see how well I can follow picture instructions. So stay tuned for this at a later date. So now you know why I also got all this yarn. Now, New Craft Day, they have all kinds of craft supplies. They have cross-stitching. They have diamond painting, which I have several videos on some diamond paintings I've done. And they have yarn type crafts. And let's see. I really like this. This is really pretty. This yarn is a lot different than what I'm used to. It's very small, very thin. This is very soft. This is very, very soft. I love that color. And this is, I think it's the same company. And this is more of a coral color. This is more of a turquoise blue, or baby blue even. Let's see. Let's look at this green. This is a very dated green color. Milk cotton. 100% soft acrylic. And it is very, very, very soft. Isn't that pretty? And then this is also milk cotton. So I got 4 different skeins of yarn from 2 different companies. And this has got purple and turquoise and yellow. Isn't that pretty? So anyway, this is what my friends at New Craft Day sent me. I will be doing videos on how to use all these things, so stay tuned for that. I do have links down in the description box below to New Craft Day and to all these different items that they sent me. And I also have a coupon code for you. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.